In this video, we're going to talk about complementary and supplementary angles and how they're dealt with when you throw algebra into it and you deal with expressions. Okay. Now remember, just as a quick review, our complementary angles are two angles that add, whose measures add together to give you 90. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measures add up to give you 180 degrees. So as we look at our list of angles over here, angle 1 is 3x plus 2, angle 2 is 4x minus 6, angle 3, 8x plus 11, and angle 4 is 9x minus 9, and angle 5 is 7x plus 4. So in our first statement, it says angle 1 plus angle 3 are complementary. Okay, not a problem. So angle 1 is 3x plus 2, which is angle 1, plus angle 3, which is 8x plus 11. And it's complementary, so therefore they add together to give me 90 degrees. Now, at this point in time, we're going to combine our like terms, which is our 3x and our 8x, which gives me 11x, plus 2 and plus 11, which gives me plus 13, equals 90 degrees still. Subtract my 13. There's the term with the variable in it. Subtract my 13 from both sides. I get 11x equals 77. So 11x equals 77. There's my variable. It's being multiplied by 11, so I divide by 11. Divide by 11 on both sides. Those 11s cancel. X equals 7. That gives me my final answer. In our next one, it talks about angle 2 and angle 4. So angle 2 is 4x minus 6. So 4x minus 6 plus angle 4, which is 9x minus 9, equals supplementary, which is 180 degrees, 180. So again, like I did on my previous example, combine my like terms. 4x plus 9x gives me 13x. Minus 6 minus 9 gives me minus 15, equals 180 degrees. There's the term with the variable in it. It's being subtracted by 15, so I'm going to add 15 to both sides. Those 15s cancel. I'm left with 13x equals 195. There's the variable that I want. It's being multiplied by 13, so I'm going to divide by 13 on both sides. X is equal to 15. Now, in our final example, we're using angles 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 says 8x plus 11. So we have 8x plus 11 plus angle 5, which is 7x plus 4. 7x plus 4. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're equals supplementary, which again is 180 degrees. Combining my like terms, 8x and 7x is 15x, plus 11 plus 4, which is 15, equals 180. So there's the term with the variable in it. It's being added by 15, so we subtract 15 from both sides. So 15x equals 165. Divide by 15. The x is being multiplied by 15, so we're going to divide by 15 on both sides. X equals 11, which gives you my third and final answer.